Back to the channel. So today we are briefly looking at Exela technologies and how it is faring in this crazy market. Today Exela technologies is up 0.10% and trading at 29 cents a share. Now I just want to invite you briefly to take a quick look at the top of your screens. There you see that the S&P 500 is down 0.71%, the Dow 30 is down 1.09%, Nasdaq is trending downwards up 0.01%, Russell 2000 is up but trending downward. It is up 0.52%, but if you look at the graph, you see it's trending downward. And even crude oil, which is up today, is struggling to keep its head above water, trading at $110 a barrel and up 0.37%. So the important thing I want to mention today is that even though XELA is trading at what seems to be a very low price per dollar cost per share, I think that there's still a lot of value, and this might actually represent a very good entry point for Exela technologies. If you look at the bottom right of your screen, you will see that the performance outlook that has been that's being reported by analysts that are covering this stock shows that for the short term they are bullish, for the midterm they are bullish, and for the long term they are neutral. So it means starting from here, going about 9 months out, those analysts who are people, they are very seasoned, they are trained, this is what they do for a living, think that this stock is at a very good price point, and they are very optimistic about the company. So I think that even personally, this is a very good entry point for Exela Technologies. If you look at the general amount of business they do, the kinds of businesses they do, the processes that they have in place, all of that, some of them proprietary, shows that this company still has a lot of value that is locked within it. And then also, if you step back, you can see that the 52-week range is from 26 cents all the way up to $5.45. So there is still a lot of headroom for this company and this stock to grow. The only challenge I see right now is that it just needs the right kind of exposure. And I wouldn't be surprised, again, I keep saying this, that we wake up one day and find out that a larger company or some company with deep pockets has just bought out Exela Technologies completely and outright. So this is something that we should keep an eye on, and I think that there is still a lot of value that is trapped within Exela Technologies. And going forward, please, if you have like a certain portfolio where you keep stocks and then you check on them maybe weekly, monthly, just to see how they are performing and determine if you want to put them on your main portfolio, I would strongly suggest you put Exela within that category. This is one company I would like to keep track of as we go through these very rough and turbulent economic times. It looks like the downward momentum has slowed for this company for sure. If you look at the graph here, you can see over the past 5 days, they are actually coming out on top. I'm not by any means saying that we have reached the bottom of this downturn, but if you look at the graph, it definitely tells you a story showing that about May 12th, there's some kind of a mini reversal there, and it hasn't gone as low as it was on May 12th. So that might be indicative of something big that is coming along the line, and I would definitely have this under my radar. That way I see if there's any significant price movement. But typically what I've seen with companies like this that seem to be terribly undervalued is that once somebody catches the eye of a major investor, the stock price doesn't just shift by 1 or 2 percentage points. It tends to run, and it runs hard. Alrighty, that's what I just wanted to share with you guys today. A quick look at the Exela Technologies and how it's performing in the market. Thanks for joining me. I will catch you guys on the next one, and please help me move that 408 subscriber mark a little bit higher up. Give the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That helps me enormously. Thanks once more, and bye.